Well, here we'll see how to make thumbnails for YouTube.
So friends, first of all you have to open a beautiful website that is called Canva, canva.com. So just click open it. Since I'm already using this app regularly, so it has taken me directly to this home page. But for the first time users, you have to log into this app and just go through your Gmail, verify it, and you'll be logged in. So here I'm not showing how to log in into Canva. I have already logged in. You can see there's some SSS written here. In this is my profile, and here once you enter into Canva, you can see there are a lot of options on the left side. By default, you'll be in the home page, and here what you have to do is go to templates. So once you go to templates, you can see in the first row a lot of templates will come, like docs, whiteboard, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails. Like this, many things will come. You just have to click on YouTube thumbnails. Just click there and you can see YouTube thumbnail templates. There are like two kind of options available. Like either you can create a blank YouTube thumbnail, start from scratch. For example, if I press it, I will open it in a new tab. So a completely blank page you'll get as YouTube thumbnail. Well, as you know, the thumbnail of YouTube is 16:9 in that aspect ratio. It has already maintained that ratio here. It will show you a completely blank page if you go to that first option, create a blank YouTube thumbnail. And there are a lot of templates available, ready-made templates that you can use in YouTube if you go through all this thing in this window. So you can see a lot of thumbnails available. For example, if I go for this one, let's see. Here you can see this has opened. I have to again click here in this page. It will open up in another tab. So this has opened up. You can see a lot of elements are available, like this arrows, this dots, this text box, this one, subscribe button, this bell icon. All these things are also available, which can really beautify your YouTube thumbnail page. This photo also, I think it can be, yeah, it can be changed. So you can customize it according to your needs of your video. So this is how you can I'll show you how to create a thumbnail. For example, I prefer to go by this blank page instead of a complete ready-made template available. You can go for that if you want. That is the easiest way to do, but well, for my videos I prefer to go for this kind of blank page where I put my photo. Well, if you want, you can upload some pictures, upload files. I will just click here and I'll go to that page where I have uploaded this file. For example, this file is uploaded now. This is how you upload it, and just click and drag it here. So this picture has also come here. I'm just showing you how to start your thumbnail from scratch. That is, if you have a completely white page here, 16:9 ratio, that is the aspect ratio of YouTube thumbnail. So how to start it from there? I'll just drag it here. This is how you drag your image. And so here what I would like to do is I want to change the background color as well. I don't want to keep it just white, so I'll just click here in background in the left side, and you can see a lot of colors are available, or you can choose some kind of designer background. For example, if I choose this, you can see it has changed a bit. Some kind of texture will be available here. It will show some pink if you want, maybe this. So here for example, you have shown a picture of the video. For example, I want to make a video on OnePlus 11, then I show this picture of OnePlus 11. And if I want to show the text or show the title of the video here, I'll just click here text, and a lot of options will come, like to click text to add to page, add a heading, add a subheading, and all these things. And you can see a lot of fancy fonts will also be available in this left side. And you can see here one interesting thing, that not all kinds of fonts you can use. Whatever is showing here, you cannot use all the fonts. And you can see there's something called pro means you have to go for paid version of this Canva, so that you can use this kind of font. Or else there are many free fonts also available which you don't need to pay for it. You can easily see a lot of good quality free fonts or free things, elements in fact, are available which you can use easily. So I'll go to heading, add a heading here, I just click here. You can see here add a heading has come, and I can write whatever I want. For example, 1+11 review. So here it acts like a text box as you see in Word file, and I just want to make it bigger in size, because in YouTube usually the thumbnails are visible in a very small size on some corner of your window. So I want to make it as bigger as possible so that it is visible to all people. And you can see I've gone to effects and text effects. I've selected this, and I can add this kind of effects in my text as well. So you can go through all these options available here, play with that, experiment which works for you. For example, this one, whatever you like it, you can go for it. For example, some curved one, no, this one, it's all your choice. So you can give the background of that text as well. For example, yellow, if I want to give the same color, yes, this kind of color, red, black, so it will change the background of the color itself in this option. So many things are available. You can go one by one if you want. I just don't want to go for this. This looks good and simple. For pictures as well, as you can see, just click on the picture, click on that element, and you can see this kind of options will come, like edit image, crop, flip, animate, all these things. I'll just click on edit image. You can crop it as well. You can see you can crop this, slight borders available or visible here, which you don't want to show in your thumbnail, and press done. You can see the image has been cropped. You can fill this, and what else you can do, you can flip the image, flip horizontal, flip vertical, whatever you want you can do. And here in edit image, a lot of editing features will come on, like filters. If you want, you can go for this afterglow, which will really increase your brightness and contrast of the image, and many other things, grayscale, straight, black and white, all these things. You can play with this back, some other kind of features, you can go through it. And there is one another important thing that you need in your thumbnail, that is this called elements. So in elements, a lot of symbols like arrow mark, tick mark, shapes, graphics, all these things will be available. Just go through it, what you need actually in your thumbnail. And lot of free elements are available which you can easily use in your thumbnail. So for example, here a lot of lines, shapes are also available. If you want, you can go for this arrow mark. You can see this, but usually I don't prefer this kind of arrow mark. I'll just delete it. I go for some thick kind of arrow marks. As you can see, it is available here. Charts, a lot of things are available. You can go through it. For example, I click on this, which is recently used by me. All the recent elements will be available here. If you want, you can see all. For example, this arrow, this is quite often I use this arrow to show the thing. I have to, you have to flip this, flip horizontal. I have to rotate this to see, to like signal it to this space. So for example, I do this, I change the color. Yeah, so this looks good. Yeah, so if you want, you can do this. Some more element that I use regularly, that is this one. For example, if I want to show this part, which I actually don't want to show for this video purpose, if you want to show something, highlight something, you can show like this. This arrow mark should point this part, and if you want, you can change the color of that comment box as well. So it will highlight this space, and this arrow mark will show that what is written over here. So this is how you can like prepare a thumbnail very easily in Canva. Well, I have just shown you the overview of this Canva. It's not a long tutorial that I want to make. I have just shown you what you can do if you go through all the features and elements of Canva, such as design. I have already shown you for design, elements, uploads, text. You don't need to go to projects here. Background, all these things you can use for Canva, and here you'll get all the options which you have clicked. For example, for text, these are the option. For picture, these are the option. For elements, these will be the option. So this is how you can do. And after you are satisfied that I'm done with this thumbnail, then you can go here and click on this share part. Once you click on share, it will show you this pop-up will open up, and you can see you can copy the link, you can make it online, you can share this, or else you can simply, what I do is locally download this thumbnail, and I press here download, and you can see press download here as well, and you can go for the file type as well, whether you want to download it in JPG, PNG, well, all these things. So it is suggesting me as PNG. Mostly I go for PNG, or at best JPG image. So I'll go as it is suggesting me. I'll go for PNG and click on download. So once I do that, within seconds you can see this is downloading. Yeah, it is downloading, and it will be available in your download folder. So if I click on that, you can see my thumbnail is ready. Yeah, so I can easily upload this thumbnail in my YouTube video. So friends, this is how you can prepare a thumbnail easily in Canva. I have just shown you the overview of Canva. I have not gone very deep into this. You can play around with all the tabs, all the features available in Canva to improvise your thumbnail, and see what works for you. And what I would suggest is try to make a common pattern as far as possible for your thumbnail, so that it creates some kind of a brand for your channel, and people easily recognize by the style of the thumbnail itself that it is the thumbnail of your channel and not anybody else. So friends, that's it. I hope this video was useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again, see you soon. Thank you.